Trolls. It is warm spring night in troll villages. All the trolls are sleeping except one. Branch is wide awake. He hears something. What's that sound? It sounds like chirping. Is there a bird in the house? Branch looks around. The bird. In the morning, Branch still hears chirping. He checked the villages. He cannot find what is making the sound. The chirping is driving him crazy. Branch asks Cloud Guy if he hears a sound. Cloud Guy listens. He hears the chirping too. He asks Branch if he is making the sound. Branch says no. Cloud Guy says Branch must be chirping. Branch says, I'm not chirping. Branch thinks Cloud Guy is playing a trick on him. He is angry. He chased Cloud Guy through the woods. Poppy sees her friend. She asks him, what's wrong? Branch tells Poppy about the chirping. Poppy listens closely. She knows where the sound is coming from. Poppy reaches into Branch's hair and pulls out an egg. That is where the chirping is coming from. A bird must have laid an egg in Branch's hair. Poppy says the egg is about to hatch. A bird comes out of the egg. It sings a song. Poppy and Branch sing too. The little bird's mother hears her baby singing. She comes right away. They fly off together. Everyone waves goodbye. Branches miss the birds chirping a little, but not too much. The end.